On last turn, we have studied that an algebraic expression fx of the form a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus dash 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 an x की power n is known as a polynomial in x if a0, a1, a2 and dash dash an all are real numbers and all the powers of x, that is n, is a whole number. Then fx is known as a polynomial in x. Now today we will study the addition and subtraction of polynomials, but before that we should know what are like terms and unlike terms. For example, 7x square and 3x square are like terms since the power of x is same and the variable is also same. But 7x square and 3x cube are unlike terms. Like terms can be added and subtracted from each other, but unlike terms cannot be added and subtracted from each other. Let us see an example. We have to add a polynomial fx and gx, where fx is equals to x plus x square plus 1 and gx is equals to 2x square minus 4x plus 3. The first step is that we have to arrange fx and gx in their standard form. Therefore, fx will become x square plus x plus 1 and gx will become 2x square minus 4x plus 3. Now we have to find the value of fx plus gx, which is equals to x square plus x plus 1 plus 2x square minus 4x plus 3. Now if we open the brackets, we will get x square plus x plus 1 plus 2x square minus 4x plus 3. Now we know that we can add only the like terms. So we have to find the like terms. Here x square and 2x square are the like terms. Then x and minus 4x are the like terms, and 1 and 3 are the like terms. So if we add x square with 2x square, we will get 3x square, and x minus 4x will be equals to minus 3x. 1 plus 3 will be equals to plus 4. So fx plus gx is equals to 3x square minus 3x plus 4. Let us take another example. For example, we have to add px and qx, where px is equals to 5x cube plus x plus 1 and qx is equals to 3x square plus x. Here we can see both the polynomials are in their standard form. So we can write px plus qx as 5x cube plus x plus 1 plus 3 square plus x. Now the only like term here is x, and in this is also x. So px plus qx is equals to 5x cube plus 3x square plus x will become 2x, and the last constant term, that is 1. Next example, we have to find the sum of fx and gx, where fx is equals to 4x की power 5 plus 3x cube plus 4x square plus x plus 1, and gx is equals to 5x की power 4 plus x की power 5 plus x cube plus 3. First we will arrange fx and gx in their standard form. So fx is equals to 4x की power 5. Then we don't have a term with x की power 4. So we can write it as 0 x की power 4 plus 3x cube plus 4x square plus x plus 1, and gx as 0 gx as x की power 5 plus 5x की power 4 plus x cube plus 0x square plus 0x plus 3. Now on adding these two polynomials, we will get 5x की power 5 plus 5x की power 4 plus 4x की power 3 plus 4x square plus x plus 4. Next is subtraction of polynomials. Subtraction is just opposite of addition. If we have to subtract, we have to find the value of fx minus gx, where fx is equals to x square plus x plus 1 and gx is equals to 2x square minus 4x plus 3. So fx minus gx will be equals to x square plus x plus 1 minus 2x square minus 4x plus 3. Now when we open the bracket, due to the minus sign, the sign of all the terms of gx will change. X square plus x plus 1 minus 2x square plus 4x minus 3. Now the like terms are x square and minus 2x square, x and 4x, 1 and minus 3. X square minus 2x square will be equals to minus x square. X plus 4x will be equals to 5x. 1 minus 3 will be equals to minus 2. Therefore, fx minus gx is equals to minus x square plus 5x minus 2. Next example, we have to subtract gx. Next example, subtract gx from fx, where gx is equals to, where fx is equals to 2 plus x square plus 4x cube and gx is equals to x की power 4 plus x square plus 3x plus 5. इस क्वेश्चन में हमें ध्यान रखना है कि gx को हमें fx में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. दैट मीन्स हमें fx माइनस gx नहीं फाइंड करना है. इस क्वेश्चन में हमें ध्यान रखना है कि वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट gx फ्रॉम fx. दैट इज वी हैव टू फाइंड fx minus gx and not gx minus fx. Now value of fx is, first let us write fx in its standard form, that is 4x cube plus x square plus 2 and gx is equals to x की power 4 plus x square plus 3x plus 5. Now fx minus gx will be equals to 4x cube plus x square plus 2 whole minus x की power 4 plus x square plus 3x plus 5. Now x cube plus x square plus 2, and when we'll open the bracket, sign of each terms inside the bracket will change. That is minus x की power 4 minus x square minus 3x minus 5. Now the like terms in this expression are x square and the constant term. So we can write the remaining terms as it is. So the like terms in this expression are x square and the constant term, and the remaining terms will be written as it is. Now the highest power of x here is x की power 4. Therefore first we will write minus x की power 4, then plus 4x cube, then x square will get simplified with x square. It will become minus 0x square. You can write minus or plus, then minus 3x, and the constant term will simplify and will become minus 3. So we can write it as x की power 4 plus 4x cube minus 3x minus 3. Next example, what must be added to 2x की power 5 minus 3x cube plus 5x minus 5 to make the sum equals to 3x की power 5 minus 5x की power 4 plus 7x cube minus 10x square minus 4. In this question, we have to find a polynomial which we have to add in 2x की power 5 minus 3x cube plus 5x minus 5 so that its sum will become equals to this polynomial. Let us assume we add polynomial qx to the polynomial 2x की power 5 minus 3x cube plus 5x minus 5 so that we get 3x की power 5 minus 5x की power 4 plus 7x cube minus 10x square minus 4. अब क्योंकि ये पॉलिनोमियल qx में ऐड हो रहा है, इक्वल्स टू के दूसरी साइड ले जाने पर ये पॉलिनोमियल सब्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएगा. दैट इज qx इज इक्वल्स टू 3x की पावर 5 माइनस 5x की पावर 4 प्लस 7x क्यूब माइनस 10x स्क्वायर माइनस 4 माइनस 2x की पावर 5 माइनस 3x क्यूब प्लस 5x minus 5. So 3x की पावर 5 minus 5x की पावर 4 plus 7x क्यूब minus 10x स्क्वायर minus 4 minus ब्रैकेट ओपन करने पर साइन चेंज होंगे तो 2x की पावर 5 माइनस साइन विल बिकम प्लस 3x क्यूब minus 5x plus 5. Now the like terms here are 3x की power 5 and minus 2x की power 5, then 7x cube and 10x cube minus 4 and 5. Therefore qx will be equals to 3x की power 5 minus 2x की power 5 will be x की power 5 minus 5 x की power 4 will be written as it is, then plus 7x cube and plus 3x cube will become plus 10x cube minus 10x square will be written as it is. Next is minus 5x and minus 4 plus 5 will become plus 1. Therefore qx is the required polynomial which should be added to the given polynomial. Next example, what should be subtracted from 3x cube minus 5x square plus 1 to get the polynomial x cube minus x square plus 5. Now we have to find a polynomial which we have to subtract from 3x cube minus 5x square plus 1 to get x cube minus x square plus 5. So let us assume we subtract qx from 3x cube minus 5 square plus 1 to get x cube minus x square plus 5. अब हम qx को इक्वल्स टू के दूसरी साइड लेके जाएंगे तो उसका साइन चेंज हो जाएगा. दैट इज 3x क्यूब माइनस 5x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 इज इक्वल्स टू x क्यूब माइनस x स्क्वायर प्लस 5 प्लस qx इक्वल्स टू के दूसरी साइड जाने पर qx जो कि नेगेटिव था वो पॉजिटिव हो गया. अब ये पॉलिनोमियल जो कि qx में ऐड हो रहा है उसको हम इक्वल्स टू की दूसरी साइड लेके जाएंगे तो उसका साइन फिर चेंज हो जाएगा और उसका साइन चेंज होकर माइनस हो जाएगा. दैट इज x cube minus 5x square plus 1 minus x cube minus x square plus 5 is equals to qx. Now 3x square minus 5x square plus 1, जब ब्रैकेट ओपन करेंगे तो साइन चेंज होंगे, x cube will become minus x cube, minus x square will become plus x square, plus 5 will become minus 5 is equals to qx. Now the like terms in this expression are 3x cube and minus x cube, minus 5x square and x square, plus 1 and minus 5. The 3x cube minus x cube will become 2x cube, minus 5x square plus x square will become minus 4x square, plus 1 minus 5 will be equals to minus 4 is equals to qx, which is the required polynomial to be subtracted from the given polynomial to get the answer.